Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How are you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I share how to make easy, delicious and chewy kind of egusi soup, aka melon soup. Continue watching as I walk you through. So in the pot is the pre-cooked protein I'm going to be using. This is beef and cow skin. It was pre-cooked for about 5 minutes the previous day. I seasoned it with salt, seasoning cube, onion and a little bit of water. Cover and leave to boil. So here I'm going to be using pepper and onion. Then I'm going to be blending the pepper and onion. So pour in the blended pepper and onion. Cover and leave to boil for 5 minutes. Here is the grounded melon or egusi. So this melon was grounded alongside with crayfish and dried locust beans. So put the melon into a plate like so. Add some oil. Take some water from the pot of protein. And mix. So we are making that chewy kind of egusi soup. So this is how to achieve it, okay? We need hot water. So make sure it's nicely mixed. So it's okay like this. Add the melon into the soup, then cover and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. So stir a little bit. Add smoked fish. Then you add hot water according to the consistency you want. So remember, if you want it to be that chewy, you don't need to add too much water. So cover and leave to boil. So this is how our egusi soup is looking like. As you guys can see, it's looking kind of chewy. Add some ground crayfish. Add seasoning cube, salt, give it a stir, cover and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Here is Uziza leaves. Separate the stick from the leaves, then wash and shred. Add the shredded Uziza leaves. Then stir a little bit. Cover and leave for 2 minutes. And guys, here is a delicious egusi soup. Guys, isn't this soup appetizing? It was so delicious. And as you guys can see, it's easy to come up with. You can choose to use any protein of choice, okay? But this is how to make that delicious and chewy kind of egusi soup. Check the ingredients in the description. Thank you so much. Bye.